Unboxing. So your sprayer is going to arrive in a box like this, and inside you're going to find all the components you need, including a battery to insert into this, and we're going to go through the installation of the battery next. Tools you're going to need are something to open the box with, and then a screw gun, preferably, or a screwdriver. There's 7 screws on the bottom that we have to take out and then put back in. Open that up. Instructions will be on top of the box, and you can set those aside. I'd like to pull out the air gun first and set it aside. We don't need that at the moment. This is the base of the unit. The battery is going to go in the bottom of this compartment, and we need to undo each of these screws to be able to gain access to it.